So for our second example, we want to solve the equation tangent of 2x equals root 3 over 3 on the interval from 0 to 2 pi excluding 2 pi. So for this, everything we work from starts with a basic relationship, a basic angle. This is how a lot of these things are going to go. It's a matter of remembering some important known information. In this case, we must remember that tangent of pi over 6 is equal to root 3 over 3. And that matters because it tells us solutions to our equation are going to occur when we have something inside of that tangent taking the form pi over 6, or other multiples of pi over 6, because our period increases, our period for the tangent function is multiples of pi. So, because tangent of pi over 6 is equal to root 3 over 3, what we must have is that 2x is equal to pi over 6, but not just pi over 6. Pi over 6 happens to be the nicest candidate, but it's not the only one. We'll have this again every time we take half a revolution. That is, this occurs at every n pi, every multiple of pi that is an integer, because the period of tangent is pi. Or in other words, x is equal to pi over 12 plus n pi over 2. So as a result, what we want to do here is just take the values n that give us values for x inside of our described interval, where when we have the n equals 0, we will get that x is pi over 12 plus 0 times pi over 2, or pi over 12. While when n is equal to 1, we will get that x is pi over 12 plus 1 times pi over 2, or 7 pi over 12. At n equals 2, we have pi over 12 plus pi, which would give us 13 pi over 12. And then finally, at n equals 3, we would get 19 pi over 12 for much the same reason. And if we kept going beyond that, we would then go above 2 pi, so we would be outside the range. Important thing here is that as a result, we get our values for x, where x must be equal to pi over 12, or 7 pi over 12, or 13 pi over 12, or 19 pi over 12. And this is how you handle these multiplied angle type problems. Just a matter of recognizing some basic information and what adjustments have to be made in terms of that basic information. Our next example is then going to be looking at problems in quadratic form.